Hi, I'm Elaina. You can find me on Painted with Raven Season 2 on Wow Presents Plus. It's available right now. I usually do colorful makeup looks, glam looks, drag looks, celebrity impersonations, you name it. It's all on my channel. You can check it out. In this video, we're reviewing the fabulous indie brand Gourmande Girls Cosmetics, and this is called Nightshade. It looks like this. It's launching tomorrow on Thursday. This is awesome. It has multichromes. It has awesome pigmented mattes. I'm giving away everything as usual, but anyway. It's going to be a quick tutorial, swatches, and a final words, of course. So let's get right into this. Like, comment, subscribe, ring notification bell so you get notified, and follow me on social media. Everything is linked in the description box. So let's get into it. So let me zoom in a little bit because I've done the swatches off camera because, you know, I don't do that on camera. It's too much work. I don't have patience for that. You know how much I hate swatching stuff. But this is it. And I was having a shimmer orgasm, as I call it, because every time you smear a shade, you're like, oh. I mean, TMI, but really. I mean, they're amazing. And they're so creamy, those purples. Oh, you swatch them and like butter flowing. And this one, the yellow-green, I don't know if you can see the shifts on this kind of thing. Let me turn down the light. Maybe you'll see it better. Yeah, I think you can see better without the lights. Yeah, but anyway, this is something special, incredible. And I highly recommend as usual. The black is really black. Although my swatch sucks, but the black is awesome. This dark purple is everything. And this, I mean, all of them. I can't say anything negative about this. Incredible. So in the next clip, we're gonna see a quick application and the final thoughts. As usual, you can use my discount code with Gourmande Girls Cosmetics. It's Elaina Glam. Like everything is Elaina Glam pretty much, I think. But yeah, so go shop, check it out. Use Elaina Glam for extra 10% off and watch the rest of the video. So I apologize, you guys. I'm totally missing a part of the video where I was talking about the launch. So the palette is 14 shades, 7 multichromes, duochromes, and 7 mattes, and it's $54.99, and it's launching on Thursday. So I don't know what happened to the clip when I was talking about it, so apologize. So thank you so much, Christina and Gourmande Girls Cosmetics, for sending me over this beautiful palette in the PR before the launch. So happy shopping, you guys. It's tomorrow. The video came out on Wednesday. So I highly recommend this beautiful palette. Alright, start with the black, because we always start with the black on this channel. Not always, but most of it. It's called Black Night, and it's black. As you can see, I'm already applying a little bit because, you know, I'm the TikTok of the world. I'm so famous that I need to do a TikTok first. I'm trying, I'm struggling. I still hate TikTok, and I post once in a while and I run. Like, post and run. But yeah, I'm gonna probably make an Instagram reel. Black as it can be. So we're doing the halo look. And by the way, have you ever had this kind of episode when you started to put on eyeshadow? And as you go, you're like, I don't know about this. And you finish the whole eye look. And then you look at yourself and go, that's what happened to me. They had the eyeball. I did the whole look and I'm like, nope. Not gonna do it. I don't know, it just wouldn't feel like that. I did like multiple cut creases and multiple colors. I used like all the colors in the palette. And I looked and I'm like, it's just not right. Sometimes, not often, but sometimes it happens. So now going to this super pigmented purples, and you know how much I love purple and how much I love purple and green together. So this palette was like, I'm dying. I literally gasped when I got it in the mail. I was like, look at this, to my husband. Look at this. As if he cares. Sometimes he cares. Sometimes he looks at the palette and goes, wow. You know, when my husband's impressed, he shook it. So we're going into Woody and Nightshade. And the delicious purpley goodness. So did you guys see it, Barbie the movie? Did you go to watch? Like my Friday video, instead of Fridays Are Drag, I did the Barbie video. I wanted to ride on a Barbie train and make it all the way to the Insta famous. As if it was a total fail. Nobody gives two poops about it. I think it's like because everybody's doing something, so it's like it's hard to get noticed. But it's not only for the views. I just love Barbie and love pink, so like I was itching to do this, so I had to do a Barbie look. So I did a Barbie look on Friday, and I posted the video on the YouTube's, and I posted the Instagram post, not the video. I guess I could do a reel or something. I don't know, but yeah. It was like a total fail. It was like 100 likes on that picture. Because it was like a minimal makeup, like a little bit of mascara, a little tiny fake eyelash, and pink lipstick. I'm just laughing because it was so stupid. But like, it's something I did for me, not for the views or social media. Like, I had to do it for me. So like, it's not for y'all. Like, I don't care about you. I'm just kidding, but you know what I mean. Like sometimes you just do something for your own pleasure, and you know, hell with the views. But yeah, I enjoyed it thoroughly, and the movie was awesome. I dressed up as a Barbie and walk into the movies. Maybe I'll insert myself picture standing next to the poster somewhere here. Completely unrelated to the video, but yeah, I posed next to the poster. I had to wait for like 5-year-olds or 6-year-olds posing in pink outfits next to the poster. I was a little embarrassed waiting with my husband. Like, I'm gonna wait for those kids to leave first. Because who cares about grown women? It'll be like, what is she thinking? Oh. But yeah, we just went to a daytime showing because the nighttime showing was all sold out. So we went to like 2:30 and it was awesome. And everybody called me Barbie because like I'm like the original Barbie. Oh, and don't tell me nothing. I'm a stereotypical Barbie. But yeah, I enjoyed it. And my husband enjoyed it too. He liked it. It was funny. It was funny. It was lighthearted. It was a little serious and a little bit funny. And I think it was very well made. It was cute. And if you don't follow my cats, I'll insert the Instagram name somewhere here. And if I don't forget, I'll post the Instagram handle in the description. Because it's a must. My cats are Insta famous. Actually, they're as famous as mom. They're chopped liver just like me. I'm just having too much fun right now. Right, meow. If you're a cat mama, you know what it is. When they say right meow, you mean business. But yeah, they have pretty cute Instagram account, and they have modeling for brands of cat clothes, and they get PR too, by the way. Like, they get lots of PR. So the chai shadow blends beautifully. And the light, I went to a light purple, I didn't even tell you. This is called Belladonna, and it's like a light lilac, and it's very pigmented, so you can create pretty good opaque light shade with it, and it's great to blend out the other purples. So I did the basic cut crease, and I already started with flowering and hellebore. Hellebore? I have no idea what that is, but that's a you know, there is a lot of multichromes here. I think they're all multichromes. I can see the purples go into the green, and I can see this green go into some kind of blue purple too, the dark one. And the light one has a reflex of yellow, green, and all kind of goodness, and I'm living for it. So that lemony color, it goes right in the middle of my eyeball. So that's gonna be the halo part. Look at that. Oh, this is a dream. This is what, like, my dream lemon lime kind of green. Gorgeous. It's like yellow but chartreuse at the same time. And then we're gonna blend it with the darker green, which is the darker green has a a multichrome, like with a purple, I think. So it's kind of like, I'm not sure if when I blend them together if it does anything good for each other, but nevertheless, we're going there. You should see in the first look. The first look I used all of the shades on the palette and it was not pretty. Sometimes it works when I use all shades and sometimes it's just a mess. So this is the finished look. Yes, I kind of like abruptly finished. I was just talking to my cats, to my husband. I forgot that I was supposed to film someone else. Another clip or something. Ended up finishing. I mean, this is not like a tutorial. It's a review. So I did some gems. Let me zoom in some more. So I did some more gems, of course, because, you know, nothing is done without gems on this channel. No glitter, surprisingly, but a lot of gems. No glitter because the eyeshadow itself is the limey chartreuse color. What's the name? Flowering. That one is like extraordinary. And actually dipped my brush into a little satin mist and used that under the lashes to make it stand out even more, and it looks like insanely insane. It looks like glitter, literally. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. And purple blends perfectly, as you know. The cool tones are very hard to formulate, so they're blendable, and her formula is great. I mean, she doesn't make it herself, obviously, but whoever she found, the manufacturer, excellent. Yeah, highly recommend. I mean, what not to love? That is stunning. I used like a lot of shades. I used a little bit of green to blend out the outer corner with black. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And 6, 7 shades, yeah. Like I used all of them in the first look. Like I said, the first look I didn't like, and they'll blend wonderfully. I just like, I kind of threw it together and I hated it. But yeah, but the shadows work perfectly and the black is real black. So this is a finished look. I'm kind of living for this ponytail right now. This is like one of those things that I bought off the Instagram, insert a name, and insert name or something like that. And actually it's not bad. It kind of tangles a lot, and sometimes I have trouble fixing it to my hair because my hair is real thin. So it's like, it's kind of heavy, so it's, you know, sometimes it wants to fall off. But most of the time it works. And the color is pretty good match. So yeah, so I'm happy with it. I mean, regardless of my hair. This is the tits, and I love it. I recommend it. I don't think I've seen a palette, like I always say, I don't think I've seen a palette from Christina, Gourmande Girls, that I haven't liked yet. I mean, I love them all. Sure, formula gets better and better if it's even possible. And this is stunning. I mean, I'm a purple lover, and purple and green, I'm like, I live. So I saw that and I gasped. I mean, I gagged, gooped, and gasped. So that is it. So go shop. My discount code is Elaina Glam, so you can use it at the checkout. I'm going to list Gourmande Girls Cosmetics Instagram in the description box, so you can guys check it out if you don't know them yet, which is like, how can you not know them? They're amazing. So like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Ring the notification bell and follow me on social media. All the links are down in the description box. So thank you all for watching, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!